Are we? All right. We got the golden drum bonus, and we're gonna do mystery pick.
Ooh,
8 by 5.
3.
Oh, 3.
Oh, that's okay.
That's okay. Let's see what we get here. It's huge. I don't know how much that is. There's no sound on this game though. $24 for that. Last game coming up.
So what was supposed to be special about this golden drum?
I don't know. I don't remember. Another 18, another 8, another 2. This thing is huge though, guys. Look at this. Super big. 9 ways. I don't know, it's just freaking huge. I don't know what we won here, but that's awesome, right?
I'm happy.
Let me get there. $66.95. Wow. There we go. That's awesome.
It'd be awesome if it had sound.
It was like what, $20 in, $66.95. So it'd be 77, 78, $79 out. We'll be back if we get another bonus.